Krishna. My name is Abhigya. Today I shall talk about Chandas, an important aspect of the Vedas, which are considered as the leg of the Vedas, as in Chandas Padau tu Vedasya. So this is what it is. So Chanda is basically the leg of the Veda Purusha. So today the definition of Chandas is Chadi Ahlade. So if you want anything that you say to come in a meter, you must use the Chandas. So Chandas is like that. So it has two parts, Guru and Laghu. No, it has two parts. One is Vaidika and one is Laukika Chandas. So Vaidika Chandas is like Gayatri, Trishtup and such meters, which are different and they come only in different kinds of compositions, cannot be sung correctly. So that kind of meters which are only for the pronunciation of different Vedic compositions like Om, Kara with some other letters like Hrim and such letters to fix together, and such things are called Vaidika Chandas. So Laukika Chandas came afterwards, and that is the Chandas that we use to compose shlokas and to make them nice and attractive to people. So now this is the Vaidika Chandas and the Laukika Chandas. So the Laukika Chandas has many other types of Chandas, of which I shall explain a little today. So the most important and the main one of them is Anushtup Chandas. So this is Anushtup. So it has a shloka, Panchavam Laghu Sarvatra Saptamam Dvichaturthayoho Gurushashtham cha padanam Chaturnam syadaruštubhihi. So the importance of Chandas is like this. Every single thing in the Vedas have a lakshana which talks about their qualities, a definition to it. So in Chandas, the definition is itself the example for it. As in the example, Panchavam Laghu Sarvatra Saptamam Dvichaturthayoho Gurushashtham cha padanam Chaturnam syadaruštubhihi. So this is the definition to the Anushtup meter. So before we start, we shall know about the ganas, the different kind of ganas. So here I is Laghu, is a symbol for Laghu, and S equals Guru. So they are 8 ganas. Adi madhyavasaneshu yarata yanti laghavam bhajasa gauravam yanti manautu guru laghavam. So now in these ganas, the first gana of this is Yagana, in which I is the first part of it. So Adi Laghu, I is the first part of it, and S and S the second parts of it. Then comes Ragana. So this is Ragana, and in this I comes in the middle. I comes in the middle, and S come around it. Now comes Tagana, in which I comes in the end and S come in the beginning. So this is the format, and now comes Bha, Ja and Sa ganas. In this, it's the opposite. Bha gana. So Bhagana starts with S-I-I. So this is the Bhagana. Then comes Jagana. So this is again the S comes in the middle and I around it. So this is called the Jagana. Now coming to the next Gana, Sagana. So Sagana comes in the end two S's and in the end one S. So that is the format. So now, if you know all of these, it's very easy to do it. Bha, ja, sa, ya, ra, ga. Then comes the last two ones, in which 7, Magana, Magana, in which it is S and S, fully of S. Then comes 8, the last one, Na, Ga, Na. So this one is I. So this is the way it goes. Now for this Anushtup meter, the fifth letter of the Anushtup meter should be Lagu. For now in the Anushtup meter, these ganas are not necessary, but when we go to Indra Vajra and other meters, then the ganas are necessary. So now coming back to the shloka, Anushtup meter, Panchamam Lagu Sarvatra Saptamam Dvichatathayoh Guru Shrashtham Balanam Chaturanam Syad Anushtubihi. When we come to the shloka, we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So Lagu and Guru, basically it is very easy to understand. Lagu is anything which has and such things. Like for example ma, mi, mu and such things. So gu like that, Lagu like that. But Guru is anything that has long, ma, mi like that. Okay. So now there are other options also for Guru, which is, one is that the Guru should be long. The second one is it should have an Anuswara, or Guru equals with an Anuswara mam, sam like that. So any letter which has an Anuswara on the top is a Guru letter. And also the next things for it is, now for example, Krishna. So here in this Krishna, this Shna is called a Sanyuktakshara, or made up of two other things, Sh and N. So when this join, Sh and N, so when this join, when these two letters join, it becomes Shna. So any letter before that is Kr, so that letter becomes Guru. So this one is a Guru letter. So these are the options for a Guru one. Then the next one is Maha. Anyone that has a Visarga in it. Aha. That is also becoming a Guru one. Now after we understood this concept of Guru and Lagu, we can start seeing Anushtup. Pa, Ncha, Mam, La, Ghu. So the fifth letter should be Lagu in all the lines. So Pa, Cha, M, mam, la, ghu, ghu. So you saw it's not guru, it is ghu, less. So this is laghu. Then we go to the next one. Saptamam dvichaturthayoho, which means that in the second and fourth lines. This is the first line, this is the second line, and this is the fourth line, and this is the fourth. This is the third line, and this is the fourth line. So in the second and fourth line, this rule applies. Saptamam dvichaturthayoho. The seventh letter should also be laghu. So let's count. Saptamam dvichaturtha. Now again, look, tha. So that one is also a laghu letter. Yoho, that is anyways correct. Guru shashtham cha padanam. Guru, the guru thing like ma and such things should come in the shashtha, the sixth letter of each of the padas. So let's count. Pan, pa, pa, cha, mam, la, ghu, sa. So this is also guru because the next one is rva. So as you saw in this Krishna example, shna. So here there is rva. So this one becomes guru. So this is like that. For every line there should be the sixth letter should be like that, and for every line the fifth letter should be laghu. And for the second and the fourth lines in exception, the seventh letters along with the other rules should be laghu. Now we move on to the next line which says that the seventh letter should be laghu, and it's true here. Then the sixth one should be guru. Let's see, the sixth one here, the seventh one, the before one is sa, ta, mam, dvi, cha, tu. This also becomes guru because the next one is tha. So that is a sanyukta akshara again. So this becomes guru. Now again the rule is correct. So how we put, so we'll just put the ISS like that. Now look here, this is I, this is I, and this is S. Again, this is I, and this is I, and this is S, and this is I and I. According to the rules, we have classified them like that. Actually, this becomes S because the next one is tra, made up of t and r. Then, in the same way, you should do the I like that correctly, and then you get it correctly. Then, the fifth letter again should be laghu. Sa, ta, mam, dvi, cha. It is laghu. So again, this is laghu. Cha. So that's a laghu letter. Now going to the next one, Guru Shashtham cha padanam. The sixth letter should be guru is the rule of it. So that's what the shloka says the rule, and it itself is the example to the chandas. That's what is very exciting in chandas. Here, Guru Shashtham cha padanam. So let's count. Guru Shashtham cha. Again, that is laghu according to the first rule. Laghu. So I'll put laghu in this red one and guru in the blue one. So the next one, after the fifth one comes the sixth one. Pa. Guru Shashtham cha pa. So this is again according to the rule of dirgha. Pa is a dirgha letter. So this pa, the same rule applies here. So pa, this becomes guru. So this is the third line. So that does not apply. The seventh letter does not apply for this line. Now the next one, the fourth line, does apply just like these three. So cha, tu, ram, sya, da, nu, tu, bhi. So this has correct letters. Chaturnam syadanuštubhihi. That's how it works. Now cha, tu. let's see this, cha and tu. Ranam, sya, sya. So this is the fourth letter, then the fifth letter should be laghu. So it is laghu, sorry. So next the sixth letter should be guru. Can you guess why no, which is normally a laghu, becomes a guru here? As per the rule, anything which is after, before a sanyuktakshara, here the sanyuktakshara is shtu. So before this shtu we have nu. So this is the nu which has to be becoming a guru one. So this is the way the Anushtup meter is made. Now we shall explore the other meters which will teach you about these yagana, ragana, tagana, bhagana, jagana, sagana, magana and nagana in detail. So the next one is, the next meter after this meter, which we have finished now, is the Indra Vajra. So the Indra Vajra meter shall be explained in the next video. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.